BFDI 6, the cookie is in the museum, but in BFDI 13 Theory putters the cookie in the museum. I think this is a change made by Teapot 15, and I have ChatGPT on my side. Bfdi Theory, timeline. Teapot changed the cookie's placement in the museum. This is huge evidence that Teapot 15 altered the timeline. In BFDI 6, the cookie is already in the museum, but in BFDI 13, Fari puts the cookie in the museum. The cookie was already in the museum in episode 6. But Fari only placed it there later in episode 13. This means that history was rewritten, and Teapot 15 might be responsible. The main theory. Teapot 15 caused a timeline change that affected the museum. In BFDI 6, the cookie is already in the museum, meaning someone must have put it there earlier. But in BFDI 13, Fari is seen putting the cookie in the museum, which means it wasn't supposed to be there before. This is a clear contradiction, meaning the timeline was rewritten at some point. Possible explanations for the cookie paradox. 1. Teapot 15 changed reality. Maybe before Teapot, the cookie was already there. But after the timeline break, history was altered, making Fari put it there later. 2. Someone else originally put the cookie in the museum, but after the timeline was rewritten, this never happened, so Fari had to do it himself. 3. The cookie into the museum early. An anomaly caused by Teapot 15 made the cookie appear in the museum before it was supposed to. Bfdi Theory. A's actions were predestined. What if Fari was always meant to put the cookie there? But the timeline tried to correct itself too early. How this connects to other BFDI theories. Teapot 15 timeline break theory. If Teapot 15 altered reality, this is another example of things changing without explanation. 2763. Reality manipulation. If 2763 is secretly rewriting history, reality is unstable. Donut vampire theory. If Donut is a vampire,